So now let's see how we can work around with camera raw preferences inside of Adobe Bridge. So in order to go ahead and work around with camera raw preferences, first of all, you need to go around over here onto edit, and then you can see the camera raw preferences right here. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it opens up the camera raw preferences. For example, in camera raw, you can select the light mode or the dark mode right here, just like this. And you can also go around over here onto responsive behavior for camera raw preference and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can access out different options, like for the sidecast right here, just like this. You can go for the performance, like use of graphics processor. You can be auto or custom right here, and you can also use graphics for opening and saving right here. And you can also set the size of the Adobe camera raw preference, as you can see right here. Like for example, you can go for camera raw cache size can be 10 GB right here. You can pierce the cache as well, select the temporary location of where the process data is stored, and so forth. You can also see the raw defaults, like you can select the camera settings in Adobe defaults right here and work around with the color details right here as well. For example, you can select Japan color, or let's say for example AsiaFA color, and so forth according to how you want. You can also go around and get the SDR output if you want, and change around all of these preferences right from within Adobe Bridge, as you can see right there. And that is how you can change around the camera raw preferences according to how you like. And when you go ahead and edit out with camera raw, then what happens is that those settings itself gets applied accordingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.